Cast. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, good morning. It is Friday. Stephen, good morning, good morning, good morning. Mark, very good morning, guys. Good morning, fellas. Hang on 1 second, guy. 1 second, guys. All righty. Randy, Sue, good morning. Guys, coming into the session, we've got almost, we got 7,900 buyers currently in the ES. We have sellers small in gold, 68 sellers in gold. We've got almost 1,700 net buyers in crude. Crude is making a nice little comeback. We also have almost 1,200 net buyers in the NASDAQ. We should get a pullback in here. Let's see here, guys. More sellers than natural gas. Boy, oh boy. Just crazy on gas. Crude is already in longs. Not far off the day high. NASDAQ. Here's our pullback on the NASDAQ. And the NASDAQ overnight high is 96.59. So we're not far off the high. Guys, I will be posting this NASDAQ Unirenco today in the member area. I showed it to you guys yesterday. I've been trading it for about a week. Just a couple minor alterations. But yesterday, I tallied up the ticks, and on 3 contracts, it would have been over $3,300. This morning, it's already taken 1 trade and gone to first target. And I'll show that to you. I did it in Sim. It gave a long at 7, and it just hit first target. But I will trade this on my live account today. I will, of course, trade the 3-minute, which gave a long. At 703. Basically would have been the same trade. But that would have been a long. Once again, that's number 20. Hope you guys had a good evening. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Guys, it's Friday. You know I like to be done early on Fridays. Maybe 11, 11:30, depending on how we've done. Yesterday was a pretty good day. Currently, the only bots that I have on is ZB, unless it's shorts, will not give a trade, and Silver. Silver would need a pullback and then a launch long again if it's going to get a trade. ES is pulling back into support in here. A break above 33.88 and the ES starts to move much higher. We get above 88, maybe 88.5. We start to work into pretty close to 3,400. NASDAQ, if we can get back above that 50, we go 58, 70, 77, and maybe as high as 96, 87. Hey, Todd, good morning. Good morning. In any event, guys, quickly check news. See if we have anything today. Today is Friday. And January sales, retail sales. Philly Fed at 10. All right, so we have some news at 8:30. I will quickly read the disclaimer and we will get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. All right, guys, there's your disclaimer. Anybody have any questions? Markets are closed on Monday, much to my chagrin. I hate long weekends, fellas. Guys, as I have said and will reiterate, the charts that I will trade the bot on in my account is that Unirenko, the 3-minute on the NASDAQ as well, gold on the 377 tick, the ES on the 8 range, certainly the crude on the 3-minute. We would need a pullback. And depending on what I see for volume, the 500 tick in crude today. Good morning, Patrick. I've already done that, Raymond. You certainly don't need to take my word for it. I've done a manual back test myself for 4 weeks, which is about as far as back as I'll go. And for the last week, I've traded it in sim. And the results have been, pretty good. 8 and 30. 8 and 30, Raymond. First target off, fellas. Another first target. We're not dropping yet. We're going to bid back up. Second target's identified as 11 3/4 handles. Another 2 trades, 2 winners, fellas. I won't let this go against. Come on down, dog. You got buyers coming in, fellas. The 15 range is up 600. Okay? 2 trades, 2 winners, guys. If you took them both, held for targets, done. Have a good weekend, up 500 on those 2 trades. See you, Patrick. Nice job, brother. Done. Up 220. My daughter's up 220. She's done. See you, honey. So, Marcos, you asked if I trade a live account. There you go. I was down 100 to start. Coming in, I'm up 265. And I'll leave this on for a while. Small, ugly little buyers. Honestly, she has better discipline than I do.
Target filled.
Because, I'll push it. Yep, that's what makes a good trader. I'll push it.
Order filled.
15 range is long again. You're done, Ash. You're done. We're getting sloppy here. I'm going to turn this. Come on, dog. I'm going to turn that off for now, guys. Women make better traders than men. There's no question. Wouldn't have fired a trade anyways. Women make better traders than men. All right, this I might be interested in. Nope, still can't go. No direction, guys. No direction. No direction. Small buyers, 130 buyers in this candle.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
I don't know what's trading or where.
Order filled.
Boy, I just keep missing these RB trades. Here's a 15 range trade, guys, on the NASDAQ. Now that's in Sim. So for those of you guys that have a question, it's very difficult to trade for me. Multiple, unless I turn one off and one on. And right now, that Unirenco, which I identified, has had one losing trade since yesterday. I mean, it would be up over $3,500 since yesterday if you took every trade. It's already proven to be highly profitable for several of the members already. They're done and gone on a Friday. My 15 range is in front of you, Chris. I don't know what you're trading. So my 15 range is in front of you. Guys, I'm showing the trade start to finish. I have nothing in crude. I keep missing RB trades.
Target filled.
There's first target on the 15 range. No, it didn't. Oh, yeah, this one here. Yeah, that's a losing trade. Dow is NASDAQ's up 12, guys. Small negative delta at this point, couple hundred.
Target filled.
There you go. 15 range is up 620. Yeah, I do, Marcos. Some days the real small time frames trade better. Other days, like this is the 3-minute. This is like my go-to favorite. The problem we have here is, this shorted up here at 821 and it's never come out of the short. So until this thing goes long, there's nothing I can do with it. Gold is still bid, so I'm not going to get a trade on gold. Bonds are bid. Silver is strongly bid. We're not going to get a trade in silver. The ES. I probably should have been long 75 quarter. Wasn't paying attention. RB's, I got to get one. I asked the guy if he could send it to me. I don't know if he's seen it yet, but I'll get one and set up that chart, Rick.
Order filled.
I'm goofing around, guys, still in sim with this 377. This is a really small time frame thing, this 377 chart. Again, this is sim. And you can see it came one tick from target. It didn't hit target. I'm just playing with this in different settings for when the markets get like real choppy. That 377 might work really well because the targets are small, 3 and 4 handles at times. Big one might be 5, but here it is. Unorenco's turning up. You got 600 buyers in this candle. It's fighting resistance at 24 quarter. Support is now 20 quarter. I don't know what indicator you're talking. I don't know what you're talking about, Jimmy. Where did you see it? What chart? It hit first target and didn't fill. What chart was it on? Oh, you mean the 15 range. That's just it's a combination between it's Gann numbers. Another dead guy. Yeah, sometimes it does. Sometimes it does not. And this is going to go to a stop out. So the problem with this 377, I mean, again, I'm trading it in sim. I'm just letting it run. I have to play with settings yet, but when the market gets choppy, it's good for 3 and 4 and 5 points pretty quick. I just have to get better stops. It may need a bigger stop because it's so small. NASDAQ is doing nothing. YM, nothing. ES, nothing. Small negative delta again, or still. We finished at 146 million to buy. That's it. Trading up. It's going to have to get through 23 half, 24 area if it's going to go anywhere.
Order filled.
Support is still 08. And, we have a target at 27 quarter. I just don't have buyers yet. Next 20 seconds. Look, this is all slop. I don't think we're coming much lower than 7.5. We'll see. Guys, if you made your money, take it and go. If you traded the Unorenco, I gave you guys the settings. I put it in member Skype. You guys should be well up. If we hold 08 area. Listen, we could come down to 95. We're basically still holding support. Come on, do something here. But here's crude on the 500. There's first target. No, it may have hit it. Didn't fill it. No, did not. One tick shy. It should come down if anybody's in that.
Target filled.
There's your first target. Yeah, Russell. We'll find bid at some point today. We'll find bid. Come on, dog. Go get us VWAP. It's the next target, guys. All right, fellas. Stop can move up to 10. 10. Stop can move to 10. 3 minutes trying to turn up. If that 3 minute goes up, this thing, let me see where we're at. And 19 is going to be our next little bit of noise. Above 19, 19.5, kiss them goodbye. There we go, guys. We hit 18. You can get aggressive and move your stop now to 11. 11. 11. That should elicit a chuckle or two for those of you guys that know what that was. 11. Move stop to 12. Stop to 12. I'm just trailing, guys, behind all these stacked imbalances. That's all I'm doing. Stop to 13. All right, next wall is around 21. We've got a trend line that we're going to have to trade through 20 to 21 area. They're buying them all back. Come on, buy them. Get us to VWAP anyways. We've pulled VWAP lower. We should go through VWAP. Guys, you guys all should have somewhere between 15, 18. No, VWAP is at 24.75. You should have between 15, 18 handles in this puppy. You can move stop to 13.50. 13.50. It's going to break back down. It's got to hold in this area here. It's got to get through 19.5, fellas. Through 19.5, we're good. Stop, aggressive stop. It's got to hold 14.5, 14.75. We held. 13.50 stop is still holding. Come on, dog. Get above that point of control again. You got out at 17.5. You got scared. It's okay. What'd you get in? You should have been in around 99 to 9,600. Where'd you get in? '01. I'll take a 16.5 handle NASDAQ trade. In fact, I did. Nice job. Nice job, Chris. All right, we're still holding 14.5, guys. So we're good. Our stop should be 13.5, 13.75. Now we got to punch up through 19. This is our noise. We need buyers in here. Next candle in 20. Here's what I want to see. I want to see the next candle form around 18 to a half area. The next 5 minute candle. And then go. Come on, go get that 27. Stop is 13.575 area, guys. Okay, no, we formed below the point of control. Unfinished auction now here at 7.5. Looks like it's, come on, small sellers. I don't want to see the pullback. Looks like we're consolidating for another move. Here come the buyers. Come on. There we go. All right, fellas, stop is held. We get above 19.75, it's going right to 23. We get to 20, we're going to 23, 24. We ran into that wall again at 19. That's what stiffened us. Got to get through that 19, call it half, 7.5. Here it goes. Come on. Come on. Punch this. Got buyers, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Bus gets off, next stop, VWAP. Can't move stop yet. Yeah, you can move stop to 14. Stop to 14. Stop to 14. I'm not going to get that aggressive. 14. If we break up above 21, the stop changes. 23.50? Yeah. 23 quarter 50, yeah. Stop is 14, fellas. Guys, the Unorenco has had one losing trade since yesterday. One. And it's taken a dozen trades. Many of them are just first target, but 7, 8 handles. Those are nice trades. The Unorenco, guys, has been long since 16 quarter. Come on. Punch it up. 20. There we go. All right, guys. Stop can go to 15. 15. Final target is 27. We're almost home. Come on, Dingbat. Let's go. We're tagging VWAP. If nothing else, we're getting VWAP. Down to 848 net sellers.
Order filled.
Guys, stop can go to 16. 16. 16.
Order filled.
Stop can go to 16. I don't want to see it below 16 half. You're welcome, Jeff. It's a hell of a trade, fellas. I want stop at, best stop is 16. Come on. We got to punch up through 22. 22. Yeah, Chris. All right, guys, new 5 minute. Come on, hold it. Let's go, buyers. Come on. Ah, dang it. Don't you do it. Got to get up through 22. All right, you guys are out 16. Yeah, so it's only 15, 16 handle trade. C'est la vie. You guys good?